Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to present a tutorial video on Hydro Thunder for several different boost starts. I'll be providing a video, or not a video, this is the video, sorry. I'll be providing you the Hydro Jump start with 4 seconds boost, and I'll also be providing you the boost start without the Hydro Jump. So you're going to want to press and hold accelerate when the 3 is disappearing. You're going to want to press and hold brake when the 2 is disappearing, and you're going to want to switch back to accelerate and hold when 1 is disappearing. So that is how you get the Hydro Jump start. And we'll do that again. Hold, hold, hold. I'll try to let you hear the audio cues in game. Let me just turn this up for you.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'll hopefully be able to provide you the cues for the controller. Oh, missed time, sorry. I'll do one more and I'll tell you when I hold or press and hold brake, because I find brake is the hardest to hear, obviously, because there's no engine noise really, because I'm braking. So let's do this one last time. Brake. So hold, hold, hold. Now I'm going to show you how to get the boost start without this Hydro Jump. That's the Hydro start, or the boost start without the Hydro Jump. Now in order to do this, you'll basically want to do everything you did for the previous Hydro Jump boost start. The only difference is instead of pressing and holding the brake button, you'll just want to press the brake button. So everything remains the same other than the brake button. You will want to press and hold the accelerate button both times on the 3 and the 1 when they're both disappearing, and just tap 2 when it's disappearing. One more time. Tap. Now I'll turn up the game audio and hopefully you'll be able to hear all that. And that'll be it.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go! You are in the lead.
And that's the boost starting in Hydro Thunder. I hope you enjoyed the video. If anybody has any interest in learning more about Hydro Thunder speedruns, the boats, levels, etc., I'd love to provide more tutorials as I have a huge interest in this game. It's one of the only ones I've done speedrunning for, and it's currently I'm still not very good at it. I still have much to learn. I still have to master the Blowfish boat and such, which is one of the fastest boats in the game, with Rad Hazard being just under it. But that is that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any cool Hydro Thunder videos or speedruns or whatever, please post them in the comments, video links, etc. I have no problem to promoting your channel and or anybody else's, as I'm just here to watch and see cool videos, etc. Right? So let me know, and I shall see you all next time, hopefully. This has gone on long enough, so enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.